Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to link your Telegram account with Telegram Desktop, step by step. Whether you're setting up Telegram on your computer for the first time, or just want to sync your chat experience across devices, this guide will walk you through everything clearly and quickly. First, grab your phone and open the Telegram app. Make sure you're logged into the same account you'd like to connect to your computer. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. That's the main menu button. Tap on it to open the menu. From the menu, scroll down and select Privacy and Security. This is where all your login and device settings are located. Once you're in that section, keep scrolling until you see the option labeled Devices. Tap on Devices to continue. Here, you'll find a list of all the devices currently connected to your Telegram account. If you haven't linked Telegram Desktop yet, this list will probably only show your mobile phone. At the top of this page, tap on Link Desktop Device. Your camera will open automatically, ready to scan a QR code. This is where your computer comes in. On your desktop or laptop, open Telegram Desktop. A QR code will appear on your screen during setup. Use your phone to scan that QR code. Simply point the camera at your computer screen until the code is recognized. Once the scan is complete, Telegram will instantly link your account. Within seconds, all your chats, contacts, and settings will appear on Telegram Desktop fully synced and ready to use. You can now send messages, join groups, and share files right from your computer without missing a beat. And that's it! You've successfully linked your Telegram account with Telegram Desktop.